Hello, good morning everyone. So, continue with the chapter that is about the Sahara Desert and the Ladakh Desert. So, today we'll welcome to you in Ladakh. So, welcome to Ladakh. Now, here some first you will see how the Ladakh look likes. Okay, so it look likes in this way. You can see all over the Ladakh. Mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. This is, you can see some of the vegetation is over here in Ladakh. Some peoples is also living over here in some part of the area. Okay, here the houses also you can see vegetation is also there. Next, first you will see the map of Ladakh. So if you see over the map of Ladakh, here it is the Ladakh range. So means to say where the Ladakh range, and here you can see the Leh part. Okay, so Leh and the Ladakh, this is whole of the part is to be said as the Ladakh. Okay, as the Ladakh range is over there, Leh, which is the capital. Okay, so this whole part is included in the Ladakh. So this is the map of Jammu and Kashmir, and you can see all important places, important cities also over here in Ladakh range. Okay, so next we will go through the next slide. You can see over all here the snow covered with ice throughout the year. Here you can see such a beautiful picture over here that this is to be as Ladakh. Okay, here you can see the Ladakh. This is to be said as the Pangong Lake. You can see here the Pangong Lake. Okay, this is the very famous Pangong Lake, and Pangong Lake is in the middle and surrounded with mountain, surrounded with the Ladakh ranges and surrounded with Ladakh hills. Okay, this is whole of the Ladakh. You can see such a beautiful pictures. Now come to the Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalaya on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. You can see the eastern side, which I have shown you in the map, the east side of the Jammu and Kashmir. Several rivers flow through Ladakh, Indus being the most important among of them. So from Ladakh range, there are so many rivers flowing over there, but the most important is the Indus River. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh. For example, the Gangotri glaciers. So many glaciers are over there in the Ladakh, and if you go more height on the from Ladakh, you go to the above altitude, you can see the world highest battlefield glacier, that is the Siachen glacier, which is at the more height. It is around the 23,000 feet around from Ladakh, from the sea level. Okay, but it is not in the Leh Ladakh. It is more at the more altitude. Okay, so Gangotri glacier is one of the most important glacier, and rather than this, there are many more glaciers found over here. Okay, next you will see about the next slide about the climate. Now due to its height, it's so high altitude, the climate is extremely cold and dry climate. Obviously it's on higher latitude and higher altitude, so climate more obvious, it's a cold and dry. That is the climate extremely. The air at this altitude is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. The day temperature is summer are just above 0 degree. So in the summer also the temperature just a little bit above 0 degree. 0 degree means 1 degree or 2 degree above 0 degree, and the night temperature will below minus means below 30 degrees Celsius, means minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is a freezing cold in winter in the Ladakh. Next you can see about the flora and fauna. So this we will continue in our next video session. Thank you.